Alright, this is September 8, 2010, and this is a brand new Ipod Touch 4, as you can see, 32 gig, and let's open it up. Okay. Okay. Let's just take that out. As you can see, you can't see the lock button, the volume buttons. You can't see anything because they're on the back, pretty much, as you can see. Yeah. Here's the camera, microphone. They said it's spinner. I haven't seen it yet. Here it is. I have to take this out. Well, but at least you know how to open it now. And I guess you just take the whole thing out. Okay. Yeah, has a hole right there so you can see the camera. And here it is. Pretty much looks like the front of the iPhone 4, except the metal part isn't out. There's the speaker right there. They don't have it on the back anymore. No antenna. And that's pretty much it. Let's turn it on. Oh, they have it. They switched the side now. It's on the iPhone side. Let me just do that side. Takes a while for a faster processor. Oh damn it! Now you gotta connect it to iTunes. Do you have it? Yeah, turn that on. Hold it. You got a USB, right?